Started with the Wild West train ride, being as you're already here. You're sitting behind a real coal-burning steam locomotive, so you might just get a painful cinder in your eye. Now, the good folks at the first aid station will be happy to help get it out for you. Pulling our train today is locomotive number 190, the Yukon Queen, built in 1943 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works of Philadelphia for the U.S. Army. She served in Alaska during World War II and was brought to Tweetsie Railroad in 1960 to serve alongside locomotive number 12, the original Tweetsie engine. From 1918 to 1940, number 12 ran on the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad, or ET and WNC, between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone. Folks back then used to say proudly that ET and WNC also stood for every time and with no complaint. During the troubles of the Great Depression, local folks joked that it could also stand for eat taters and wear no clothes. The train earned the nickname Tweetsie because of the sound of its whistle echoing through these mountains. Before we get started, I just want to remind you to stay in your seats while the train is moving, and be sure to keep your arms and head inside the train cars at all times. You never know when a desperado or tree limb might just sneak up on you. We want you all to be safe and have fun riding in the Tweetsie Railroad. Also know that smoking is not allowed on the train, except of course for the engine. Our train will be leaving the station in just a few minutes, so be sure to stay in your seats. Riding the train with you today are the Tweetsie Cowboys and Cowgirls. They're going to introduce themselves to you and tell you anything else you might need to know. We're so glad you're here today, and we hope you enjoy your ride on the Tweetsie Railroad.
We're waiting for it to be able to take off. So we can go on the train now. Yeah. Right over there, Dale. Yeah, that's Dale. The U.S. Marshal.
All aboard the Tweetsie Railroad. Casey Jones, let's ride. The train is clear. Casey?
Yeah.
Here we go, folks. Be sure to stay in your seats. How about giving the people in town a wave and a big yee-haw? On the right is the Tweetsie Junction with a handmade sign shop, and you can see some entertaining shows at the Palace Saloon. Over to your left is the Hacienda, where we'll be having lots of great special events throughout the season, along with some other surprises. Right now, we're crossing Dead Horse Canyon, and as we do, we'll be turning back the clock to the days of the Old West. Over your right is Boot Hill, the final resting place for many gunmen. Lots of towns in the Old West called their cemetery Boot Hill, so many folks met their ends through violence and gunplay in the streets. They died with their boots on. Here at the Frontier Outpost, seems our cowboys have a little bit of business to take care of here. But keep your eyes peeled. You never know what might happen when a train stops in the middle of a wilderness.
Are they gonna come in with a stick-up? There's the jail. In the train, in the asphalt. There's the outhouse.
Hey,
Something funny going on out here.
where are the townspeople? This place was booming last time we were here.
Yeah, where's the marshal at?
Maybe they went inside the saloon to see a show.
Oh, huh? That show doesn't start for another hour.
Well, maybe they're all inside getting a beverage.
Suppose, I'm sorry, I got nothing. Alright, well, I don't like the look of things here. I'll tell you what, you better go check out that general store, see if the clerk's seen anything.
Sure thing.
I've got a gold shipment on the train, Dottie, if you can handle that. And, head into the saloon. I'll see y'all in a little while. I don't like the look of things here.
Well. Dottie Sage.
Hi there, Colton. I thought I recognized you back in Tweetsie Town.
Oh, you know, I just came out here to see if there was any work available. Seems there is. Looks pretty heavy there.
You got a friend with you, too.
Oh, friend. Well, this is just my friend here. This is just Mikey. You know. He's also looking for work. Yep. Hi. Say, what's in that box?
Just a payroll shipment for the troopers up in Fort Booth.
Ah, well, it looks pretty heavy from over here. Mm.
Nah. Okay, a little bit heavy.
Well, how would you like it if we helped you out?
Yeah, yeah, confused, but
That was
you guys
easy.
seem nice.
Yeah, so where are we taking this, Dottie?
Send it to the bank.
Into the bank.
Open that door.
Never been in the bank before. It's nice. Yeah, woo, look at that. And this is we're gonna open up the vault real quick, close this up, and nobody has to get hurt. All right, get out of there.
Hey, what's the meaning of this?
I'll tell you what the meaning is. This here's a daring daylight train robbery. Darn tootin'! Hey, don't you worry about them townspeople. None, we done took care of them back in town.
What'd you do?
Well, let's just say they're in good hands with the rest of our gang. That was easy.
Yeah. Okay, we probably don't have much time. Right. So you get in that general store and you take care of that deputy. I'm gonna wait out here for the sheriff. And as for you people, listen up. This here's a train robbery. You're gonna give us all your valuables and nobody has to get hurt, all right?
Tulsa, what do you think you're doing? I told you to stay out of trouble.
Now how could I stay out of trouble when there is fine people too.
Alright, I had it. Put your gun in your holster and hands where I can see
I
them.
don't think you want to do that, Sheriff.
Oh yeah, why not?
Get up there, get going.
Sheriff,
Help!
Alright, look, I'll just put my gun in my holster and no one will get hurt, alright?
All right.
Yeah, I was.
Hey, Sheriff, you're real smart. Oh, that hurt. Oh, hey. Oh, Billy. Wait. What's over there? Ow! Take that!
Deputy, are you alright?
Who's the beans? Oh, gross.
Oh, sit down. Sheriff! Sheriff! Oh, I found this telegram, so thank you. Dear Sheriff, stop. We have the hostages at Fort Boone. Stop. Ride the train here and face us. Stop. Oh, yeah, and bring that gold shipment. Stop it! Hey!
Well, it looks like y'all are in a pickle now,
Oh,
aren't you?
gosh, Mikey Vincent, Nebraska.
Full government name and
You
everything.
know what? We gotta get this gold back on the train, alright? Someone help Donnie out with that, alright? Thank
Oh,
you.
oh, Sheriff, can I help?
No, get back on the train.
Okay, sorry.
As for you folks, we're heading into some dangerous territory. And I'm talking gunfights, fist fights, all sorts of crazy cavalry action. Y'all better keep your eyes peeled and your cap guns loaded, alright? Casey Jones, whenever you're ready.
All right, everyone, please return to your seats. Casey Jones, let's get this train on up to Fort Boone.
Sit back with me or you want to go there? And make sure you have your hands like, like that.
Like I said, we have to be prepared for anything. Take your seat and we'll get on up to Fort Boone and see what the trouble is all about. Fort Booth. We'll be making a short stop there. Should be safe, but stay in your seats, folks. Our cowboys will check things out.
We're gonna take as long as we need to get those civilians back safe and sound.
Oh, so you forgot to fight me there, Sheriff.
Oh, she's got some fight in her, excuse me. But not enough to put an end to me.
Oh, pipe down, would you?
Oh, why don't you make me?
There's the weapon. I'm done waiting. Give me that gold or else.
Look, you've got what you want. Now hand over the townspeople.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
And why not?
Because we done took them sacks and we put them on another train going far away from here. Now we got what we want and we got you right where we want you.
Yeah, look at how the turntables have turned. Oh, you.
That's right. There ain't nothing you can do to stop us now.
Yeah, what she said. Huh?
You haven't even looked in the box yet.
What?
Take
Okay,
a look, Tulsa.
I guess I will. Excuse me.
Yeah, take your sweet time.
I'm taking my time. Make sure you get a good look. Go ahead, Tulsa. Let's get going. What's he?
Well,
Tulsa, what we got?
well,
What?
it ain't good.
What ain't good?
Just got some playing cards.
Playing cards?
Couple of aces and eights.
Aces
What am I
and
gonna do
eights?
with
That's a
that?
dead man's hand, you dimwit! That's a dead man's hand!
Oh, Fox!
Nice work, Fox.
Yeah.
You used your words.
I was about to.
Jared, Jared, you're going to jail.
Okay.
What?
People escaped the dead horse gang and are on their way back to the frontier outpost.
What?
Well, how'd they do that?
And just forgot to put a lock on the cell door.
I told you we couldn't leave you in charge.
You're the one who came up with the plan, who's idiot now.
Yeah.
All right, quit arguing. Let's get this gold box back on the train. Tulsa, I cannot wait to hear what the judge has to say about this when we get back into town. You got her?
Don't worry, I'll take care of Iris.
Thank you.
They'll probably say guilty. Something.
All right, everyone, please return to your seats and have a great big round of applause for the Tweetsie Cowboys, Cowgirls, and Trooper Pods. Casey Jones, let's get this train on back to town.
Phew, that was a close one. Well, let's head on back to town and I'll tell you a little bit more about the train. You may be wondering where Tweetsie Railroad's historic locomotive number 12 may be. Well, locomotive number 12 is undergoing a full renovation in our own locomotive and machine shop here at Tweetsie Railroad. After 107 years, it's time for a new firebox. Plus, this was an opportunity to put in all new boiler tubes. Now, come on, here we are back in town. Tweetsie and her crew kept you safe and sound. And be sure to stay that way. especially the little ones. The cowboys who rode with you today can give you directions to wherever you want to go. Don't forget you can upgrade your pass just by visiting our ticket office. Thanks for riding with us. Y'all come back and ride with us again. Bye-bye now.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop. And the train cars have finished rolling backwards.
Still watch that. If we're gonna go in here, don't go past this area so we know where to find it.
All right.
Take